Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing, unbagging. Actually, it won't be quick. I'll be honest, it will not be quick. I got some great items for Epiphany / Dia de los Reyes from my amiga Camo Chica, and another item from DeeDee Bean. So I'm going to talk about that in a second as well. So if you'd like to see what I got for the 12th day of Christmas, as we sometimes call it as well, stick around. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, handbags, all the things that we love to treat ourselves with, your designer dog that may be needing a lot of attention, like this one right here. Hi, Mama. It's almost their time to eat, so they're like, hi. Let me just do this, okay? Okay, Mommy? Oh, mamas. Mamisitas. We need to sit down, okay? Let's sit down. Thank you. Sit down. All right. So, real quick, I went to pick up these items, and when I checked my mailbox, I had something from DeeDee Bean, and I wasn't expecting anything from DeeDee Bean, so I was really excited to see that. So went in there, and there was this cute little ornament that she had made. And I guess, our mail system is fun here in Oregon. Things take forever to get here, but it is beautiful. So I will put it on my tree for next year. But it had a Merriest Christmas and Happy New Year with her little logo, and then a beautiful picture of Miss DeeDee Bean on there. Thank you, love DeeDee Bean 2024 on there. So while it came unfortunately late for this year, it will gladly go on my tree for next year. And I love the heart little charm thing on the back there. That's just beautiful. So thank you, DeeDee. Very, very kind. So this is technically a collab video, I guess, but more like a gift exchange. So Laura and I have been friends now a couple years, and she sent me some lovely gifts last year, and I sent her some gifts, and then back and forth. So we have not had the fortune of meeting in person yet. I hope to someday. But then that's why I brought up DeeDee's, I decided to talk about this DeeDee's gift that she sent me in this video. DeeDee and Laura live in the same vicinity of each other, along with another YouTube creator, Yoshia. I'll link their channels down below. They are the Tres Amigas, and they have just lovely content where they collaborate together, go shopping together, and have a lot of fun. I am so jealous, because if I lived in the area, I could have tons of fun. So they are just a fabulous group of people. So I live vicariously through their shopping experiences and all the fun that they have, but we don't have nearly anything like that up here in Oregon. So anywho, Laura contacted me and said, hey, Amiga, we got some gifts coming to you. And I'm like, well, coincidence, so his gifts going to you too. So as per usual, we just send each other things because it's the holidays. And these happen to all coincide with Epiphany, or Dia de los Reyes, and in our culture, Three Kings Day, also known as the 12th day of Christmas officially. And we thought we'd go ahead and talk about them during this time. So I literally just picked up the last package this morning. They came by, and I found her card as well. So with DeeDee's item, my mail system again is horrible. I'm going to cover up her address, but she has the cutest little wax seal on the card. That is awesome. Oh, giraffe. I think they all arrived at the same time. It said it's hoping the gifts arrive before the card does. I'm like, well, everything arrives when it arrives. It just kind of happens. So I know I have a couple things from Amazon, and then I have a giant box, which I'm shocked about the giant box. So yes, I don't know if anything's for you, Mamacita, though. Dolly is staring me down. I should do this real quick. I'm going to show you what. I'll get my other phone, and you can see what the girls are doing. Pickles is asleep, but this is Dolly. She's like, what is it for me? Can you? Oh, Pickles don't care. Dolly's a bit. Is it for me? Open it up. It might be, Mama. Okay, so let's open this one first. We'll go smallest to largest. Yeah. So we got this one, then this one, and then a giant box. So let us see. Let us see. And you'll have to look at Laura's video to see what I sent her, because I put a whole assortment of fun things, in my opinion. And then I think I'm just like forcing things on her. I'm like, here's my favorite things. That's my philosophy. It's like, I really like this. You like it too. Trust me. Let's see. 3 pieces of white paper. A little something for nail time. That's funny because I sent her nail stuff too. Oh, nice. Mini cuticle revitalizing oils. I needed oils. Milk and honey, pomegranate and fig, vanilla bean and sugar, white limetta, and olive oil. I wonder if that's lime. Must be. It's a little on the go things. Yeah, I need to start. I don't have any nail polish on because my nails are not doing well from the holidays. They just dried out really bad. So this is perfect. I definitely needed that. Thank you so much. Sorry, Mamacita, not for you. A box and a bag. Amazon's so funny with the way that they package things. Something to, oh, for my Hermes ornament. Okay. Let's see. I know, Mija, you want your dinner. You're gonna have to wait, Mija. She's like, but it's my dinner in there, Mom. Oh, Mija, your dinner's not in here. Mama, sit down. Thank you. All right, let's see. Oh, pretty. Oh, nice. Okay. Now we gotta go to the ornament. It's right up there. That is so pretty. Oh, okay, hold on. I know, Dolly. You need it too, right? Mia, sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Hold on. Laura sent me last year. It's been up on my shelf here. So let me put that. Whoops. I'll get it more organized, but we'll put it up there for right now. I'll fix it and get the ribbon a little bit nicer, but awesome. Oh. We're in motion. Almost, Mommy. One more box, okay? One more. One more. Okay, Mamacita. Mommy, I know. It's still early. You're just being cranky. Okay. All right. Ugh. When I say giant box, giant. Oh, had some damage. Uh-oh. Hopefully it's okay. But giant box. And I wanted to be surprised. And that's how I am with all of my presents. Like, I don't know. I like to be surprised. You know, it's just, I buy a lot of my own stuff all year. I really cherish getting gifts from other people of any amount, price, just the thought. That's all that matters to me, is the thought that counts. So I just really enjoy opening presents. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's a big box. Oh my goodness. With a lot of paper. I am really shocked, and open me last to keep it a surprise. Okay. Someone has sent you a gift from Bloomingdale. Okay. It's so pretty packaged. I don't even want to open it. I don't think I've ever got anything gift wrapped from Bloomingdale's. They do such a good job. It's so pretty. You know I'm a packaging freak, so it's like, oh, it's so pretty. It's really heavy. Whatever it is, it's really heavy. Oh my god. It's in another box. It's a box in a box. Something in a white leaf. Oh, Kyoto in bloom. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Glass House Fragrances in celebration of the season. This limited edition bloom can. Oh my god, they're like the deep ones. Oh, they're so pretty. Let me show it to you like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cool. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Nichols is woken up. She's intrigued. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. One of the little thingies came out, but then we'll get it fixed. Look, one of the little thingies is here. I'm gonna have to assemble it and like take a picture. But just that jar, let me get it the jar because it's this alone, look at that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. I remember seeing you talk about it, Laura, on your channel, but I have never bought any of these this brand. Oh my god, they're from Australia. Okay. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna assemble it and insert a picture about it. Thank you, gracias amiga. Oh my god. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. I love it. It's, oh my god, it's beautiful. I think where I'm gonna put it. Well, it's holiday. But even after I burn it, oh my god, it's gonna be, I'm gonna put that on my centerpiece at for Christmas. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay. I gotta keep this brand in mind for future. Camellia and Lotus. It smells so good. I love the decoration. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. Oh my god. Thank gracias, amiga. That is so nice. I love it. I'm gonna fix that. Put it in my background. Get everything all sorted up. But it's gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. So again, mil gracias. Check out the Tres Amigas and all of their content. They rotate and they go on the different channels when they do their videos. So you'll find like one episode on Laura's, one episode on DeeDee, one episode on Delene's channel. So check them out whenever they have their content. It's really, really fun. Hopefully they're going to continue. But at the very least, there's videos from last year, but really, really fun videos to watch. And oh my gosh, just beautiful. Everything, the packaging, everything. It was so cute. It was so cute. I gotta go feed the little and get them their food before they bite me. It's just great. YouTube is a great place to just meet fabulous people, even if you haven't met them in person. The online friendships have been great to meet everybody. So gracias, Laura. I appreciate you so much. I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.